Okay, hey, here we are. We're back outside. We're working on the Explorer. This light right here, we're going to tint it. It's the fog light, and it's a little on the bright side. Plus, we like the darker look, kind of the Mad Max look here. So we're going to show you how to do that. It's going to be pretty easy. We're going to start by cleaning it. We've got a piece of material we'll put on. I'll post some links to this stuff so you'll be able to find it. Let's talk about tools you're going to need. Scissors, a knife, squeegee, that little yellow tool, a heat gun. The heat gun is so you can move it. You'll see how that works. You're going to need your alcohol and a wipe, and you're going to need the material you're going to put on this. So that's what you're going to need. So those items is all you need, and you're all set to go. So let's start by cleaning this up. All right, here we go. Alcohol time. Make sure the light is really good and clean here. I'll put the rest of it around it here. All right, once you know you're good and clean, time to get this out. Make sure this is, you can kind of touch it, you can see that it's very smooth, clean. All right, we're back. Next thing we're going to do is put this on. You can see I kind of started. This has two sides. It's got a protective film and a sticky side. So we're going to peel off the layer of what stops it from being sticky. You can see how this is going to go up here. All right, about like that, right, like that. So we're going to put it on like that. Make sure there's enough. Okay. Now, we're going to peel off this part. Ooh, be careful not to get it stuck to itself, that's for sure. Put it right there. There. Okay, so you can see how that works. Now you take and start in the middle here. And if you need to, you pull this up a little. Just like that, and you can kind of work it there, and we'll pull this now that we got that started. Push this to push the bubbles out. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to cut it down right down here like this. It's not hard to cut. The reason we wanted to cut that out is it's got to bend over that. So we can pull a piece of this away and start working it up into here. Same thing down here. Now, apply some heat. Key here is to do a good job of trimming. And if it's stuck like that, you peel it away a little. And you do have a knife. When you get a little bit that's stuck, you come in and trim it with your knife. Careful not to scratch the car here. Good news is, if you mess this up, you can start over. Just keep working. The key here is slow. Go slow. Bubbles, you got to work them out. All right, there you have it. Tinted fog lights on your Explorer. So, if you like it, subscribe please and support my channel. Looking forward to doing more neat projects on your Explorer, and let's see what we can come up with next. Peace out. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.